a grammar lesson on modal verbs rules with tips and examples. Let's dive in. Firstly, need and ought must be followed by to plus the infinitive. For example, I ought to start eating healthier. I need to take him to the vet immediately. Need can sometimes be used without to in informal contexts. For example, you needn't worry. The infinitive always follows a modal. For example, we need to save our planet. We should call in sick today. The perfect form for a modal is modal plus have plus participle. We were only a minute late. We couldn't have missed the bus. I should have brought my ladder. The continuous form for a modal is modal plus be plus verb plus ing. I will be sleeping in this windmill for the next 3 nights. I could be staying up late tonight. Don't use the auxiliary do with a modal for questions and negatives. Do you can help us with the cleaning? Is incorrect. Can you help us with the cleaning? Is correct. You do use do with the modal verb need when forming questions or negatives. For example, do you need a pen? Modals don't use an S for third-person singular. He can run like the wind. He ought to lower his prices. Modals can be made into a question by inverting the subject and the modal. We can play tennis, can you? You can negate a modal by adding not. I will not be finished by home time. He cheated again. You must not forgive him this time. You can use the contracted form when speaking and writing informally. I shouldn't sit in the sun again today. I mightn't play tennis again. And finally, modals can be used with question tags. I should have stayed at uni, shouldn't I? You can't escape, can you? We must jump, mustn't we? Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.